Alright, dudes. Today's the day that we're gonna put this bad boy on the machine. Oh yeah. Here we go. Look at that thing. I know I've looked at it 50 times, but dude, it is sick. And we are finally done with that bouncy boy. It wasn't a shock absorber, it was a shock rebounder, as it hammered my back when I was riding last time. All the front was nice and smooth. Anyways, you know what's coming. We're gonna time lapse. Ready? Let me get a good spot here. Maybe lower this. Yeah, here we go. All right, time lapse. Wow, dang, I'm fast. I wish I could be like that in real life. Anyway, look at me go. Okay, nice. I did not anticipate having to do that much just to get access to the lower bolt there. But you do what you gotta do. Anyways, nice. Now we can get to the shock itself. So we're gonna do that one zippity too. Yeah. Come on, buddy. There he is. Oh. Look at that. And he's out. I don't see freaking. Yeah. Look at that, dudes. There's the old one and the new one. New one looks a little small, not gonna lie. And it is, I think, supposedly 17.25 inches eyelet to eyelet on center. So, maybe. That looks pretty close. This guy's supposed to be 17. Anyways, looks pretty small. But the beauty of the Fox shocks is we can just up the PSI until we get what we want, hopefully. But it's supposedly out of a 670-pound machine, so I can't imagine it would have a problem with this guy. Especially not if you're a stock Ds650. But now that we've got this done, I think I'll clean up the little bushing thingies, and then you can see what happens next. So keep watching, boys. Looky here, nice, fairly organized little station. Here's the bottom row. If you look closely, these spacers for the bottom mount are narrower than the top mounts. See, look at that, top, bottom. So make sure to keep that in mind. Now, we shall find out if this guy fits. Turn. Ooh, theoretically he should, because these little eyelets, their diameter has not changed since being swapped. So when we put in this stuff, it should render the correct width for when we install. So let's get a little grease in those eyelets, and then we will stick her in. See how much of a mess we can make. Okay, that's pretty good. Look at that. All lubed up. Now, this guy. Whoa. Man, this is a pretty good camera. Here we go. Gearhead ASMR with your host, Rob Boss. Yeah, nice and lubed up now. I'm too focused to talk. I should try the swirly thing on the other one. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now let's try to clean it up a little bit before we stick it on the machine at last. Let's get zoom out a little. Hey, zoom. What do you? Oh, cool. You can just touch it and it goes back to 1. Nice. The more you know. Paper towel. All right. I think we're ready. Let's move over here. Over the tripod. Yeah, here we go. Scoot back a little bit. Ooh. Right there, baby. Here we go. In the orientation of, or in the diagram for the snowmobile, the shock is in fact oriented reservoir down. And you can see by the stickers. So I kind of want to match the stickers. And also, I wonder about the fuel tank here. So we're gonna see if we can test the range of motion. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's one end. All right. Oh man, I think that reservoir might be too long. Let's just take a look here. We pull that up. Oy, that's too close. I think that's too close. Okay. All right, yeah. No, go. I can't see. I can't, no. Mission failed. Oh. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll clear it. Upside down stickers. Oh. Whatever. Need to de-stick my hands here. Hang on. Get last. Oh, a lot of grease there. Ah, that one guy. Just a little bit off. Oh, no, too high. Okay. Where are you? Oh. You're right there, dude. Oh. Is that it? Oh. Bro, what are you doing? How are you not going in the hole? What the heck? Look. Whoa. Okay, of course I can't see anything. Oh, what? Okay. Well, that means you are in fact in. So, oh, that felt like something. Come on. Ugh. What the heck is going on here? Whoa. Oh, wait. Yes. Let's see if we can just work your way in there. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Oh yeah. There he is. We're in, baby. Whew. We're in business. Oh, that looks pretty darn good. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Reservoir on the top side, like usual, does look pretty darn sick. Look at that. Oh wow, it was a good angle on camera too. Oh yeah. In the front and the back, baby. And while I was fiddling, I saw max 300 PSI. That is impressive. Max on the front is 150, and they are doing awesome at just 60. Oh, my back hurts from bending over like that. Let's see if we can get the washer on there. And then the nut. Oh yes. On our way. We shall soon find out. It is a snowmobile shock. A viable alternative upgrade to your Ds650 rear suspension. Ride video coming out ASAP. DEFCON, I want it now. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, baby. Should put it at about, I'd say, grunt pounds of torque. Okay, leg. Now we do the top. Nope, turn around. Okay, that's pretty good. Grunt pounds per foot-pounds of force tight, yes. Bucket. Okay. And then we take away the wood. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah. The shock is installed in the suspension, boys. Oh yes. A little bit of movement. movement, but that is normal because of those ball joints, I hope. Now, let's take another lookie. It's not much different, but still sick. Yes. Okay, another time lapse. Let's do one down low. Oh, wait. Flying. I'm imagining watching this later, which is now, because later became now, as you're hearing me. It's so much easier to watch. Okay. Okay, she's all back together. Now, we are going to add air to the shock. Something funny about that, like adding air to the tire. So let's take a look-see and see what the PSI is for this bad boy. If you ever buy some floats, it comes with a nifty little hand pump. Goes up to 300 PSI. That's pretty awesome. It has 2 gauges. Extra awesome. And a bleed button. Triple awesome. So, here we go. My guess is close to 0. The new ones were 0, but this is a used one, so we shall see what it reads. Oh, 200 PSI, wow. Okay. Well, let's see what kind of suspension or stance it has. I believe there was a sticker on it that said last serviced in May of last year. So I'm assuming that means whatever, excuse me, where was I? Whatever seals were damaged were replaced to make sure it is fully operational. So let's zoom out, boink. I want to get the full experience. This is a dinky tripod. Ugh. I think it's older than me. All right. Oh, you don't even fit in the frame. Oh well. All right, I'm gonna let her down, see what she does. Okay. So far, it's chilling. The same with the front ones. They kind of stick a little bit. But once you give it a little encouragement. Oh, there it is. Nice. Wow, silent. These guys are a little whiny. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. It's so quiet. That's so smooth. Dude, that is so sick. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, heck yeah. I think we can call that a hack. Snowmobile shock in a quad. Gonna get the luxurious float experience. Oh baby. Look at this bad boy. Heck yeah. We have tons of clearance with the gas tank, the reservoir. Oh man. Next video with this thing, we are going out. It is gonna be so sick. Oh man. I can't wait. Looking good. This has been a longer video. I guess it's a 3-part mini-series on putting a rear shock from a snowmobile in your Ds650. And so far things are looking like it could be a real winner. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Okay, I need to cut that off. Zip tie. Get out of the way. Okay. Yes. Oh man, that is dope. Oh. Excuse me. The only thing is the upside down sticker. But in a way it's kind of okay because the top is facing towards the front. Kind of. Oh, that's so cool. Okie doke. I think we'll call it here. Next video of this thing, we are going to be riding on air. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you keep watching. This has been swapping a frickin' snowmobile shock into your Ds650. So sick. I'm more pumped about that than the day I got the engine in there. All right. I'll see all you dudes later. I'm out.